Hello, Peter.
Teacher,
So, how
có lên
are you? How are you, Peter?
alpha chương trình.
Okay. So, what did you do today?
Uh,
Today.
I, I don't remember. I don't remember.
You can't remember what you did today?
Ah, I I stay in hotel.
Okay. You're still in a hotel. Did you go somewhere?
Yes.
Okay. So, I hope you had a fun with your family. So, now, make yourself comfortable, Peter, and let me share my screen. So, for today, we'll have the continuation of our discussion. And wait, let me review first these words. Let us see if you can still remember it. What does it mean when we say naughty?
Naughty, naughty is so. Yeah. Naughty is uh, I don't know.
Oh, you can't remember it now? I think we have to start again. So when we say naughty, it means someone or something is misbehaving, okay? Is disobedient, naughty, okay? So it's behaving badly. Like, for example, Jack's parents punish him for being naughty. Okay, he's behaving badly. Now, what about well behaved? Well behaved.
Đi ghi là cái đồ đấy. Bắt ra là cái số là tất tiền. Mình chỉ có làm thứ. Cái nào
Yeah. Can you tell me again what it means when we say well behaved?
um is good. Is very good.
Okay. The opposite of being naughty, right? As I've told you last time. Which means a person or a thing, an animal is behaving in a way that is correct. Okay, not behaving badly. Now, what about good natured?
Good nature. Is I don't know.
Oh, you got to remember it all now. Okay, so when we say good natured, it means a person or a pet is okay, friendly or kind. Okay, friendly, Peter. Like, for example, dogs are good natured animals. Okay, dogs are good natured animals, which means they are friendly, which is true. Okay, next one, we have noisy.
Noisy is not it's not quiet.
Okay, yes, very good. Not quiet. If someone or something was making a loud noise, okay, disruptive sounds. What about clever? Can you still remember it?
River is ill.
Okay, wait, I can't get my. Wait, Peter. Wait. Okay, can you tell me what it means when we say clever?
River is ill.
Mhm. Okay, so when we say clever, it means a person or something is smart, okay? Smart or intelligent, which means he or can quickly understand or learn something. Okay, that is clever. Like for example, she's a very clever girl, which means she can easily understand what was said. Okay, so clever, smart. What about gentle?
Gentle is is
Yes.
not good natural.
Okay, gentle is not good natured. Okay, so when
Um,
we yes, Peter, continue, Peter. Gentle.
Gentle is good natural.
Okay, when we say good natured, Peter, it is different to gentle. Okay, when we say gentle, it is a way how someone behaves. Like for example, she has a calm character. It has is mild in temperament or behavior, which means it is not harsh. Okay, not harsh, gentle. Now, what about friendly?
Is best friends.
Okay, yes, it is a person or something that is kind, pleasant, loves to be around with other people. Okay, now what about annoying?
Annoying is I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say annoying, it means something is causing you discomfort. Okay, it is causing you irritation. It is making you feel slightly angry. Like, for example, my little brother is so annoying. Maybe while you're learning, your little brother is making a loud noise. That's why he's annoying. It's making you feel a little angry. Okay?
Okay.
And yes, that's annoying, Peter. Now let us practice. So in here you have to tell me if the words are positive or negative. Now, what does it mean when we say well behaved? Is it positive or negative?
Is positive.
What about good natured?
Is positive.
Naughty,
Is negative.
noisy.
Is negative.
Very good. Clever.
Clever is negative.
Yeah. Oh, is it
Is
negative?
no, is positive.
Yes, it is positive. What about gentle?
Is negative.
Is it negative?
Is positive.
Yes, it is positive, Peter, because it means it's not harsh. Okay. So now what about friendly?
Is positive.
Annoying?
Is negative.
Yes, that is correct. So now let us proceed to more vocabulary. Okay, so we have here brown. Brown is, can you give me a thing that is brown, Peter?
Um, Brown is a color.
Yes, brown is color indeed. Okay, so it is the color of wood, coffee, and more. Okay, she has long brown hair. What about white?
Is it is color too.
Oh yes, it is a color too. Can you give me a thing that is like white? Like for example, milk. Milk is white. What else? What else is white, Peter?
Is
What is it?
uh,
The milk is white. The
a corn
snow is white. What is white? The
white.
Okay, so we have more items that are white. Either the t-shirt, it could also be pants, the walls. Okay, so now what about coffee?
Coffee, I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say fluffy, it means it is covered similar to it is covered with fluff, or it is soft and light like a fur or a cloud. Like for example, right here, my dog is so cute, fluffy. Okay, it is fluffy, which means it is huggable. Okay, because of its fur. Okay,
Okay.
like a cloud. It's soft like a cloud. What about large?
Lot. Yes. I don't know.
You don't know large?
I don't know.
Okay, so large means it is bigger than average. Okay, bigger than average. What about small?
Small is big. Small is not big.
Okay, yes. Small is not big. Okay, so it is little in size or amount. What about black?
Is a color.
Yes, it is a color. Can you give me a thing that is black? For
Um,
example, black hair.
black hair.
What?
Black black eyes.
Okay, yes, black eyes. What about medium size, Peter?
It's normal size.
Okay, yes, very good. It is between small and large. Okay, that is medium size. Next one, cute.
Cute is not not cute. Cute.
Yeah, cute.
Um, I don't know.
Okay, so when we say cute, Peter, it means it is attractive in a sweet or charming way. Okay, cute. It is attractive or pretty in a way that causes the feeling of love. Okay, such as this one. See, I would love to own a chow chow. Okay, a chow chow is this dog right here. They are so cute. Okay, now, let us practice. And in here, you have to tell me what of the vocabulary items describe size, describe size, which and which describe appearance. Okay, so when we say brown, does it
Brown is
describe?
describe describe appearance.
Okay, yes, it describes appearance. Very good. What about white?
Is describe appearance.
Okay, yes, appearance too. What about fluffy?
Is describe size.
Yeah. Oh, fluffy.
Is describe appearance.
Yes, it's still appearance, Peter. What about large?
Large is describe appearance.
No, it doesn't describe the appearance, Peter. Okay, wait. When we say size, Peter, it shows how big or how small someone is or something is. Okay, so when we say large, it is size.
Describe.
Yeah. So what about small?
Describe size.
Very good. Black.
Describe appearance.
Yeah, appearance. What about medium size?
Describe size.
Okay, and cute.
Describe appearance.
Yes, very good. There you have it. Now we have more vocabulary, Peter. What does it mean when we say feed?
Fit is
Yes.
fit is uh, I don't know.
Okay, so feed, it means you will give food to someone or something. Like, for example, I will feed my dog. Okay, so to give food to someone or something. Like, for example, I feed the fish only once a day. Okay, that is feeding. Okay, just like what the man in here is doing. He is feeding the fish. Now, what about wash?
Was is was was bathroom was car.
Oh, yes, that's right. Okay, so what means you have to clean? Okay, what means to clean something with water and soap? Okay, such as in here. It's my turn to wash the dishes tonight. Okay, or I will wash my car today. Okay, so that is wash. Next one, ride.
Ride is ride a motorcycle.
Okay, yes, that's right. Ride a motorcycle, which means you will, of course, you will sit on and control your movement. Like, for example, in a horse, in a bicycle, and um, in a car. Okay, so that is ride. Next one, what about path?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say pat, Peter, it means you will touch something or you will rub it with your hands. Okay? Like, for example, my dog loves it when you pat his stomach, which means you would touch slightly his stomach. Okay? Pat. Okay, to touch it, Peter, pat. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, to touch it, to show affection, to show that you love it, to show that you love your pet. Now, what about brush? Of course, you know this
Brush
one.
brush is brush teeth.
Yes, brush your teeth, which means to groom using a brush. Okay, to smooth or untangle a hair or fur by moving a brush through it. Like, for example, she is brushing her hair in the picture right here. Or it could also be brush as in you will brush your teeth. Okay, next one, train.
Train is um I don't know.
Okay, so when we say train, Peter, it is the same as teaching or disciplining through practice or instruction. Okay, you will teach either a person or an animal over a period of time so that they will know what they should do. Okay? Just like in here, okay? The easiest way to train a dog is by giving them treats. Of course, after they know um certain trick, you should give them a treat, just like the picture shown in here. Or I trained as an architect, but have been working as a designer for over 15 years now. Okay, it's the same as having a coach, Peter. Um, a football coach. So he will train you so you will be good at playing a certain sport. Now, wait, let me translate it.
Tàu.
Okay.
Okay.
So next one now we have walk.
Walk is on foot.
Okay, yes. You will use your foot to go for a walk with a pet. Okay. Do you like to walk, Peter?
No.
Oh no, you don't. I see. Okay, now what about cuddle? Cuddle.
I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say cuddle, it
I don't.
means you will. Yeah, it's okay, Peter. Okay, so cuddle means to hold someone or something close to your body. Okay, to cuddle. Wait.
Ôm ấp.
Okay.
Okay, so that is cuddle. You hold something close for warmth or affection. Okay, so now let us practice. Okay, so now all you have to do here is to fill in the blanks using the words above. You can't blank a dog. You can't
You
blank
can't pet a cat, a dog.
what, Peter? You can't?
And you can't pet a dog.
You can't pat?
Yes.
Oh, but you can always pat the dog, Peter. You can always pat the dog because when we say pat, it means to lightly touch something. Wait, let me translate it. You can pat it.
Pat có nghĩa là chạm nhẹ hoặc xoa bóp một cái gì đó bằng tay.
See, you can pat a dog.
Okay.
Okay. So you can.
Um. You can cuddle.
You can as well cuddle the dog because you can hold the dog. You can hug it, right? You can hug it like a person. So you can cuddle a dog, Peter. Okay, so the best answer here would be you can't ride. Okay, you can't ride a dog. Of course, you can't ride a dog. Now, what about this one? You can.
You can
You can.
um. You can wash a feed a horse.
Yes, you can feed a horse. You can't blank a cat.
You can. You can.
You can repeat your answers, Peter. You can repeat your answers.
You can brush.
You can brush. You can brush it. You can brush the hair of a cat. All of it, Peter. These are all. These are all applicable, except for ride. Okay, so you can't ride a cat. It's the same. What about for four? You can.
You can. You can feed a goldfish.
Yes, you can.
You can't um ride a hamster.
And for the last one,
You can't um ride a bird.
yes, you can ride a bird and as well as you can walk a bird, Peter. Okay, so thank you so much for that. That's all at work us today, Peter. Thank you so much. And enjoy your time with your family. Be safe, Peter. Goodbye.